Alright, minions of technology, my name is Tim Lee. Welcome back to Legacy Studio, episode number 23. Well, I'm gonna get down to this pretty quickly because I hate to say this is just a bunch of lore reading at this point. The last episode, I haven't edited it yet because it was minutes ago, but I am fearful of how long it's going to take to edit that. And I know even if I edit it to the best of my ability, you are still going to see that I am just such a terrible reader of these books. Because even though the images that you're seeing here might look nice and somewhat crisp, the text is just so pixelated and handwritten. I'm having a murderous time reading them. So, if you want to skip this, I don't judge you in the slightest. Okay? But it's time to continue our episode of Riven, where we are going to continue to dig into the lore. That last episode took so long. I just want to play a video game. All the reading is just so intense. Anyway, here we go, my friends. Oh my god, it's another book. That's... Oh my gosh, I know where that is. Why do we have this? Oh, was that it? Was that all I had to do? Was that it? I mean, I only read one. I read one book in a note that told me which. Oh my gosh, is that? Oh! What are you doing back? Huh? What? What?
Now, Katerine, we see for Polo, yai sepe yai.
Where? Who? No, wait. You did. Hang on. Oh, there's people. I can't. Oh, yeah. And this is gonna be another. That takes me back. But the other book, okay. So was that? I think that was Katrina. No, was it? I don't know. Maybe it was one of her folks. Maybe it was Ellie or whatever the other names. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we have this book, and that looks like Dunny with the desk that he sits at and writes at. Maybe I'm scared to touch that, but maybe I should before I touch this book. Maybe I should save. We're gonna save right now. We're gonna save. Have Dunny. Okay. Have Dunny book and entrance back. I'm going to try the book first that I have in my pocket, okay? So we're going to open this one up.
Vai. Nel senso io non credo poco si può. Freitag.
Oh! So, I'm so glad I saved! Oh my gosh! So that was... Oh, that was a bad book. That was a... So by not going into the book, that's why she came back in and gave me the... Oh my gosh! gosh, I love this so much, and I'm stuck. We need to get out of here and continue. By the way, can I say the creators of this game that we're showing here? I know I am not showing all their names, but they have done such a fabulous job on this game. Okay, we're done. Let's go ahead and get back to what we're gonna do here. Okay, should I just exit out of the? I should. Pressing again. I'm pushing buttons. I wanna. Oh, they're doing this on purpose. They just want you to be so ticked off because you did that. But we saved. We. You know what'd be terrible is to go if we went back and like all of our save data had been deleted. Now that would be mean of the developers, but that was so good. Oh my gosh, that was good. Okay, all right, I'm gonna cheat. We're gonna close this out completely and enter back in. Here we go. So we're gonna go back here now. Wow, what a game, man! What a game! Well, we know what we gotta do. We know what we gotta do. Oh man, all that reading, that stunk in the last episode, but oh my gosh. This has got so much better. Okay, we're moving on. Okay, that's fine. I was noticing that I didn't have my mouse cursor, so I thought I was about to see something because things might have changed. Okay, this way? I guess this way. We're going to, where are we going to? Oh, we're going back to the main world, main space. So not that way. We're going back the way we came. Nope, not that way. This way. Here we go. All right, this way, and let's hit the magic button. And say hello to the ugly frog that we all hate so much. Wow, that is a very obvious look at that frog from way far away. Gosh. And then that one there. Oh, that stinks. Okay, let's get in here and go. Oh, that stinks so much. Okay, let's see. Am I thinking through this right? I don't need to worry about this. We need to go this way. Am I thinking through this right? We're gonna go through here. I'm brain farting again. Oh, over here. Okay. Here we are. This is it. Let's try this. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Huh? Oh, maybe it's this. Maybe it's 2, 3, 2, 5, 3. 2, 3, 2, 5. Oh, I messed up. Okay, so 2, 3, 2, 5, 3. Sorry, dyslexia. What? Ah! Ah! Okay. No! I wasn't done yet! 2, 3. No! Stop it! Okay. 2, 3, 2, 5, 3. Okay, so I gotta lower this thing down now. So let's go back. And can we see anything through here? Ooh, stars. Lots of stars. That's cool. That's cool. Now we can lower it in, right? We can lower it in. So, like this. And we've pulled the stop, which technically we probably shouldn't do, but we're going to go ahead and pull the stop. Okay? And let's go ahead and drop her down. Oh, can I look in here now? Does it change how it looks? Oh, it's coming into focus. That's cool. Okay. Excuse me for trying this multiple times because I'm just curious how well this works because this is pretty epic. I feel like it's coming into focus more. So Star Fissure. This was a telescope. That's pretty sweet. Yeah, it is coming more into focus, I think. Oh, this is about as far as we got before. Oh, wow. It's getting cool. Oh! 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 Oh, geez. Oh, yeah, that's right. The whole world is going to be destroyed because I did that. Oh, I was too excited, okay? I was a bit too excited. I got a little out of...
There isn't much time. Where's Catherine?
Yeah, the book.
The book is empty. I don't understand.
You never did.
Oh, it's Gan!
Father.
Father. I am no longer your father because you are no longer my son.
Aw, drat. Oh my gosh, we just killed Gan. No, we killed his son. We killed Atris. We killed a guy whose name we can't say. Don't look at me like that.
I don't know what you thought you were doing, but thank you. I finally am free.
Yeah, Toodles. I did read all the books, and I totally read where technically I shouldn't have opened that part of the book because it was dangerous. So so far I've found 2 wrong answers. That's kind of infuriating. Now I'm even more lost than before. I mean, we only got one piece of information, and that was with the telescope. So where do we go next from here? And I've only been recording for 13 minutes, so technically we still have a long way to go until the next episode. Okay. Okay, technically I beat the game. Okay, I just didn't beat the game right, did I? Yeah, okay. So... Wow. Amazing game. Amazing game. Hands down, amazing game. I just don't know what to do next. I feel like I did not get much information out of the last episode and the lore. No, I got tons of information, but I didn't really get anything. Nothing connected with me to know what to do next. So, yeah, about that. I'm not really sure where to go next with that. All right, I want you guys to leave your comments down below, okay? Like we said in the last episode, super helpful. If you wouldn't mind, do me a favor. No spoilers. Leave your comments. I'll be happy to read them. But don't be afraid to put spoilers. Just make sure to mention that there are spoilers. Put the time code of what I missed, where I missed it, and we're going to have fun in the next episode. My early access members are going to be the most humongous help for me here. I am going to call this episode here. Super early. I get that that's super early. I'm sorry. I'm just at this stage where I need your wisdom. I'm not sure how to progress. I thought this was going to get us somewhere, and instead... What if I went back? I wonder if I could go back to that other world through that book, that linking book, and be able to look around, or if they're going to knock me out and take me somewhere else again. What would be the point of that? More coming in the next episode. Keep it crispy, my friends. First Tim 4:12. Sorry this episode was not a long 40-minute video, but I need your wisdom. So comments down below. Remember, no spoilers if you want me to read it. Spoilers for when we need them with time codes on where I didn't notice something, so I can just click on that time code and see our previous video on that. Okay? I love you guys. This is so interesting. I just don't know what to do next. And it's time to officially have you play along with me and we work on this together. And thank you so much for joining me for Riven, the sequel to MYST. Get ready, my friends. I am enjoying this connection with you and using your time codes and things like that for some of these answers. In your fun way, when you can play with me and play in my brain and mess with me and not really give me the true answer, but kind of tease me with it. Well, that might be kind of fun to do it that way with our next one, which is whatever the next game is we're going to be playing. I forget which one it is. So, all right, I love you guys. We'll see you next time right here on Legacy Studio. Crazy game.